Welcome to Metric Insights. The video that you are watching is a guide to configuring Metric Insights to work with SAML Okta. First, log into your admin account in the Okta console. We're going to start configuring Okta by creating a new application there. Go to Admin, Applications, Add Application. Find and click Create New App. Then you'll be offered several sign-on methods to choose from, and obviously, we're going to select SAML 2.0 and proceed with creating our app. Provide a meaningful name to this integration. We'll go with something like MI Test. Here are some other optional settings. We'll skip them for now and move on to the next step. And now we got to the fun part. To find out what should be added to these fields in general settings, put the name of your Metric Insights instance URL into the address bar and add /SimpleSAML in the end. You're going to get to the SAML installation page. Now, move to the Federation tab and in the Default SP section choose to Show Metadata. Find the Assertion Consumer Service block and the binding parameter with the value ending with HTTP post. What we were actually looking for is the location URL below, so you should just copy it. This is the link that we're going to put into the single sign-on URL field in Okta. You should also make sure that this checkbox is active. It should be checked by default though. Regarding the audience URI, this is also taken from the SAML page. Here, let's click to go back to the Federation tab. And as you can see, entity ID can be found right here. Let's copy it and paste it to the audience URI field in Okta. Default relay field is optional, but if you wish, you may add a link to your instance here. Now we need to add several attributes, specifically UID, which is going to be user login, and email, which is the user email value correspondingly. Now let's move further by clicking Next. Are you a customer or a partner? Here we need to select I'm an Okta customer, adding an internal app option. Good. Now we also need to add application type. This is an internal app. And this is how we're done with Okta configuration. Now we're moving on to SAML side configuration, which is going to be quick and easy. Back in Okta, we need to copy link address for identity provider metadata. Next, we're going to generate new SAML configuration with this command. By the way, all the instructions and commands can be found at help.metricinsights.com, System Administration section, Controlling Access to Metric Insights, SAML Single Sign-On article. So, after you run a command, all the required metadata is going to be given in the response. You need to copy it and put it here. Now all you need to do is enable SAML in Metric Insights. To do so, log into your instance, go to Admin, Utilities, Config Variables. To find the required configuration quickly, put SAML into the search field. As you can see, SAML is not enabled right now. To change this setting, click the gear icon, change the value to Yes, and save your settings. For these changes to come into effect, click Save Changes below the grid. Congrats! Now your system works with SAML Okta. If you have any additional questions, contact our support team at support@metricinsights.com.